Hi, Happy Hippos. This week is the last week of school, and it's the last week that you'll be getting something from me every single day. And this week, we're going to read books and see activities that are all about the ocean and the beach. Because I don't know about you, but I'm excited to go down to the beach, spend a day in the sun, and maybe do some swimming too. Maybe I'll see some of the animals that are in this book. The title is A Day at Seagull Beach. I know for sure that if I go to the beach, I will see these birds, seagulls. Sometimes when you go to the beach, you'll see a sign that says, please don't feed the seagulls because they like to come take your potato chips and your sandwiches and your watermelon. And if they learn that they can get all that food from the people on the beach, there will be way too many birds around. I'll see a few birds, but I don't need all the seagulls to be on the beach at the same time. On a cliff above the seashore, two sharp-eyed seagulls build a nest. They gather sticks and bits of seaweed. They watch the children on the sand. One seagull soars above the ocean. The waves crash on the seashore. Whoosh! Boom! The seagull skims the salty water. What is the seagull looking for? If you were a seagull, what would you look for? I think I would look for something tasty to eat. Maybe some fish. Seaweed flutters underwater. Some looks like leaves. Some looks like ribbons. The sharp-eyed seagull dips and searches. What is the seagull looking for? Down on the seabed, a flat fish swims. Wiggle, wiggle. He hides among the pebbles. The seagull walks along the shoreline. Tap, 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 tap. He pecks a crab's hard shell. Snap, snip. The crab waves his sharp pincers. What is the seagull looking for? Snap, snip. He hops behind a slimy boulder. He sees a rock pool shining in the sun. Inside the pool, a starfish creeps. Nearby, children laugh and play. Can you find the starfish in this picture? It looks like this. Can you find the other one? The sharp-eyed seagull stands and watches. A limpet clings to a salty stone. What is the seagull looking for? A crab hides in the seaweed. The seagull waits. A pop-eyed prawn darts through the water. The seagull strikes. His beak pushes through the water. Too late. The pop-eyed prawn escapes. Oh, that's what the seagull was looking for. He was looking for a prawn to eat for his lunch. The tide goes out. The waves fall back. A sandcastle sits on the shore. The seagull hunts among the seaweed. What is the seagull looking for? He pokes and pecks the shiny seashells. They crunch and tumble in the waves. Some are straight, some are curly. The seagull flips them with his feet. What is the seagull looking for? He finds bits of glass and polished stone. He finds a hermit crab and a jellyfish. He sees a footprint in the sand. What is the seagull looking for? A fishtail flicks along a wave top. Other seagulls swoop and cry, "Shriek, shriek, shriek, shriek." The seagull shrieks and snatches. Snap! His beak is full of fish. He's found what he's been looking for. On the cliff above the sea, the sharp-eyed seagull lands by his mate. She climbs off the nest. He climbs on. 2 eggs are lying underneath. A seagull soars above the water. She knows her eggs are safe and warm. She sees the children on the sand. She skims along the salty water. What is the seagull looking for? The end.